How to specify Reveal wall wash systems. Reveal wall wash is a recessed extrusion that mounts within the thickness of a 5/8 inch drywall ceiling. It's used to evenly illuminate walls. In this example, we use Reveal wall wash to create a slim design that projects uniform illumination from the top of the wall to the bottom of the wall while mounting flush in the 5/8 inch drywall ceiling, 2 feet from the wall. In order to tailor the size of the fixture to match the space, we need to take field measurements. Our measurements resulted in one 10-foot 8-inch run of Reveal wall wash. The next step is to determine the fixture, switch, and power supply locations. This is a low-voltage Class 2 system with a simple wall box dimmer. We will need a remote power supply, which should be located on a shelf or in a closet nearby. Next, create a wiring layout. This plan shows a switch leg wiring going from the dimmer to the remote located power supply, and then the low voltage wiring from the power supply to the junction box at the beginning of the fixture run. Now, we will specify all the components necessary for the Reveal wall wash system. Make sure you have a pen and piece of paper handy to write down the ordering codes and pricing to create the complete bill of materials and project estimate. We will start by specifying the 10-foot 8-inch run of Reveal wall wash. Then we will specify the necessary power supply. Visit the Pure Lighting website to download the appropriate spec sheets. Locate the Reveal wall wash product page and scroll halfway down the page. Located on the right-hand side are our product tools, including installation instructions, IES files, and spec sheet. Download the spec sheet. On the Reveal wall wash spec sheet, look at the ordering code. You'll see gray text and black text. The black text means that it's a fixed element. The gray text indicates that we will need to make a selection. In the case of the Reveal wall wash, we can select fixture wattage, length, and color temperature needed. Round up to the nearest whole foot, in this case 11 feet. 11 feet is available in both 5 watts per foot and 7 watts per foot. Selecting the appropriate wattage is based upon the desired ambiance and lighting layers within the space. We will select the 5 watt per foot version because the Reveal wall wash is only one layer of light in our room, and we will select 2700 degree Kelvin because we want a very warm white color temperature. Reveal wall wash is offered in 2 finishes, satin aluminum and white. We will select the satin aluminum. The Reveal wall wash includes the lens, LED soft strip, take-up box, joiner brackets, and junction box. Now, to complete our bill of materials, we will need to order the power supply. In order to determine the right power supply, we need to add up the total wattage. We ordered an 11-foot section of the 5-watt Reveal wall wash. Looking at the wattage chart on the Reveal wall wash spec sheet, we see that an 11-foot section consumes 53 watts. Therefore, we will need a power supply that can handle at least 53 watts. On the Pure Lighting website, look at the product page to find the necessary power supply. This PSB-60W-ELV power supply is ideal for a system like this. Download the spec sheet for the ordering code. We now have a complete bill of materials. We can use this bill of materials to create a quote and determine a list price. Click to download the price list in Excel, and then click Complete Price List to search for your product. On the Complete Price List tab, click Ctrl+F on your computer keyboard, type in the ordering code needed, and select Find Next. On your bill of materials, write down the list price from column C. Repeat this step for the power supply. After adding up the total list price for both items needed, we now have a total list price for the finished project. Contact your local distributor for discounted pricing options. Reveal wall wash is a minimal recessed fixture mounting directly to the studs or between studs without joist modification. Recessing in the ceiling in 5/8 inch drywall makes this a preferred choice by installers. For custom design and layout assistance, send drawings to design@pureedgelighting.com. Pure Lighting, let the drywall be your canvas.